Don't you just love earrings and you became so obsessed in making them? I have tons of earrings here. Anyway, hi, it's me, Angela, once again, and today, as you may have guessed, and as you have read on the title, we are gonna make earrings. Yay! So I'm gonna teach you how to make them so we can make them together, or you can make them with your friends, which do them on FaceTime or Zoom because we can't meet each other yet. So before we start, I'm gonna show y'all what materials to use when making these earrings. It's very easy and it's kind of cheap, so I think most of us can do this. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna use our jewelry pliers. These are very important because these are the ones that you're gonna use to bend and unbend the little hook thing on your charms. You're gonna see it later, I promise. And then you're gonna need jump rings. It's this one and this one. So jump rings are basically the ones that connect your charm and your the hook thing, which is what you're gonna need as well. This is the hook, right? This is the hook of your earrings. By the way, about the jump rings, I don't put jump rings on some charms and some earrings, which is fine. I'm gonna show you how to do earrings with jump rings and without jump rings. By the way, I got these both together and with these too. This is kind of optional. This is very optional. These are called tweezers. I'm pretty sure you know what they're called. These are tweezers. I use them to pick up the beads, the tiny beads that I can't pick up with my hands. So yeah, I got them all together, and I'm gonna link all of these. I'm gonna link the supplies, the charms, and all these stuff that you need for earring making. It's very easy. It's very easy. And when I say easy, it is very easy. Making these earrings are super addicting. Like, I could pull up a YouTube video or a movie and just start making these earrings, and I could probably make like 1,000. That's an exaggeration, but I could make tons of earrings while just watching a movie or something. I made a lot while I was watching Wonder Woman 1984, which is kind of a bad movie, by the way. I don't recommend it. I personally think that Barbara and Max carry the whole movie, but that's besides the point. I just want to say that it's very addictive. Do it at your own risk or something. Okay, so enough rambling. Let's start. So you're gonna do the one with jump rings. It's very easy. So we're gonna use this one, this charm. It's very nice. It's very cute. And grab like 2 jump rings. I'm only holding one, but grab 2 jump rings. My light went out, but like that's okay. You can still see me, right? Okay, yeah. So here's my jump ring, and here's another jump ring. As you can tell, I already opened this one because I opened it while filming on the other camera, but it crashed. So like the video didn't save, but okay, I'm gonna show you how to open and unopen the jump ring. I'm pretty sure you know how to do this. You're gonna open it using, hold it with your pointer and your thumb. It's easy that way. And then I open it like this. Ow. So here it is now. It's very easy to open. Just takes a little bit of extra strength, but nothing hard. And then you're gonna take this and then like put it in there. Ta-da! 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 And then don't close it just yet. Grab your hook and then like put it on there, and then hold it tightly so you don't drop it, and then just close it and make sure that there's no gap that can cause the charm or the hook to fall when you wear it. And that's how you do it. It's very easy, I promise. So you need safety pins. You need like 2 of these if you want to make a pair. So yeah, safety pins. And then 2 jump rings. Again, 2 jump rings. I'm only holding one right now. Hold on. 2 jump rings, and then of course your hooks. So what you're gonna do first is I'm gonna put the beads on. Yeah, by the way, I'm using heart bead. If you did not see, forgot to show y'all, but like I'm using heart beads. They're facing a different direction, but I think that's cute. Okay, there. And then you close them. You close them, right? So, and then you're gonna do the other one. There you go. Yeah, it's really cute. Just make sure to like be careful because you might accidentally pinch yourself using these. I accidentally pinched my finger once and it was quite painful. And yeah, that's it. That's very easy. And now we can do earrings together, you know? So here are some clips of me making some earrings. So my camera battery died, but I made a couple more after it died because, like, you know, I just love making earrings. And then here are all of the earrings I made.